herb crusted tuna salad. Great appetizer, great in salads, great sandwich. Check out this caper recipe with lemon juice and zèle de Provence.
Okay, tonight we're making potato herb salad à la Steve. So, bonsoir et bon appétit. So, check out my description for a full ingredients list. But takes a few ingredients, but it's worth the work. Prep time is about 10 minutes, and the biggest part is chopping the celery in very tiny pieces and onions in tiny pieces. So, I already did that. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take a bowl. You're going to take 4 cans of tuna, and you're going to, in water, and you're going to just dump that in there. Like so. And then you're going to take about half a cup of mayo and drop that in there. And then you're going to take some lemon zest and you're going to do a whole lemon and save the lemon because you're going to need the juice and drop all that in. You need about 2 tablespoons of parsley or 1, depending on your taste. I'm going to dump that in. This is my onion, and it was about, to get a 1/4 cup, it was about 2 green onions. So drop that in there. And then half a cup of celery, very finely chopped. Dump that in there. Now, we're going to put some Dijon mustard in there. And I just do a nice tablespoon, about so. Drop that in there. And then we're going to add some seasonings. We're going to get half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Well, that was onion powder. And then half a teaspoon of garlic. About a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I can't say it. Today I can't talk right. Paprika? Why can't I say that? Alright, anyways. Then we're going to put a little bit of dill, dried dill. Not much, like a 1/4, just a hint. There we go. Then, I got some relish, and this is dill relish. It's not sweet, it's just dill. And I do about a teaspoon of that, or 2. Yeah, let's do 2. There we go. Really freshens it up. Okay, then we're going to do a little black pepper, and do that to your taste. I got coarse black pepper in there, and then a good pinch of salt. And then you're going to do your lemon juice. Oops, don't you go anywhere. And we're just going to squeeze, about a whole lemon. There we go. And this is wonderful for lunch. You know, you can do it with a salad. You could do this for an appetizer with crackers, which this is the case I'm doing. There we go. Okay, let's drop those seeds out of the way. I like using these flatbread crackers. They're really good and easy to spread. Now we're going to do some capers, and I forgot to drain them, which you need to do. So hang in there, because I'm going to drain some capers and put it in there. This is my oopsie, but anyways, we're going to keep rolling. So let's do that. All right, so I rinsed them. The capers, about 3 tablespoons. Now I'm just going to pat them dry real quick. They don't have to be perfectly dry. There we go. And whoopie daisy, we dropped those capers in. All right. Okay. Now, it's very simple. You're just going to mix this up. And you're going to have a beautiful herb tuna salad that has a little punch to it because of the Dijon mustard. Adds creaminess to it. And just make sure that you mix it good. When you think you mixed it good, mix it a little longer. There we go. And look how beautiful that is. Now, one more ingredient. This is optional. I add a little bit, oops, wrong one. A little bit of zèle de Provence. And this one has lavender flowers in it. And this is an herb. You can get this at your grocery store in the spice aisle. Zèle de Provence, herbs de Provence. And I'm just going to take a pinch, which is going to add a nice little floral flavor to it. And I'm going to mix that up. Beautiful. We're done. Beautiful. All right. So I'll show you what that looks like on a cracker. And bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. And if you don't, it's okay. Don't. I have a lot of videos out there that you might enjoy. Check out my channel. And of course, if you liked it, please like. Anyways, thank you so much. Bonsoir et bon appetit.